Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you will fine. I'm also fine. Today I will teach English second, and the book name is The New Grammar Tree. The book name is The New Grammar Tree. Okay, for class second. Listen carefully for class second. Okay, today I will teach you chapter first. Firstly, every student open the book and take out a pencil and eraser. Okay, I will complete this exercise. You can also complete with me. Okay, every student open the page number 7. Okay, first chapter name is naming words. Okay, you can name the words. You know that you see many of the things around us. Okay, every things have a name. You also have a name. Okay, you are girl, you have a name. You are a boy, you also have a name. I am your teacher, I am also have a name. Okay, every person, everything have a name to identify it. Okay, see in the page number 7. The pictures and the naming word below them have you got mixed up. Draw a line from naming word to the pictures to match it. One has done for you. Okay, here some pictures are given below and some names are also given below. There are mixed up. There are some pictures and names are mixed up. You can find the names with their pictures and match there with pictures. You can name and find the picture of this name and match up with the pencil. Okay, you can use the pencil. Every student take out a pencil and match with me. First name is hippopotamus. Where is hippopotamus in this picture? Every student see all the pictures and where is the hippopotamus? Okay, this is a hippopotamus. So you can match this word with this picture. Okay. Okay, next word is computer. Okay, where is computer? Where is computer? There. Okay, here the computer picture is here. You can match the name with this picture. Okay, and the third word is lorry. Where is lorry? Every student see all the pictures and where is lorry? The lorry is here. Okay, you can match this picture with this name. Okay, lorry and this picture is here. And the fourth name is bicycle. Okay, where is your bicycle? Bicycle is here. You can match this name with this picture. Okay, and the next name is aeroplane. Where is aeroplane? Okay, aeroplane is here. You can match aeroplane picture with this name. Okay, and next word is leg. He is already done it with this picture. Leg is here. Okay, and the next word is book. Where is book? Book is here. Okay, you can match with this picture. Next word is ship. Where is ship? Ship is here. So you can match this picture with this word. Okay, next word is stars. Where are stars? In the sky you see many stars in night, so the stars are here. Stars pictures are here. You can match with. Okay, and the next word is television. Where is television? Where students see the television? Okay, the television picture is here. You can match it. Okay, next word is chickens. Where is chickens? Chickens is here. Here is hen and there's child is called chickens. And the last word is monkey. Where is monkey? This picture, monkey is here. You can match this. Okay, I think you should done this page number. Every student match this page number. Okay, you will only done in your book. This chapter 1 is only done in your book. Okay, this page number 7 is completed. I think every student complete this page number. Okay, you cannot mix up all the names. You can neat and clean match up with all the names and these pictures. Okay, now page number 8. Students, open the page number 8 and chapter 2. Chapter 2 is noun. Okay, I think you should know about the noun in standard first. Okay, but I will revise what is noun. You know that every person have a name. Okay, person have a name, every animal have a name, places have a name. Okay, and things have a name. All these things have a particular name that is called noun. Okay, noun is the name of person, place, thing and animal. Okay, is called noun. For example, a name of person, a girl name Riya and a boy name Shivam. Okay, and place name is Delhi, Mumbai, Agra and many so on. And animal name is tiger, giraffe, elephant, dog, monkey and so many things. Okay, and things is window, pencil, book, table, chair is a things name. Okay, firstly you write in your copy chapter name 2. Okay, noun. Then firstly write a heading of noun. You can write a definition of noun in a copy. I will write in a copy. You can also write in your copy. Okay. Okay. Firstly, you write a definition. You write a heading of noun. N-O-U-N-S. Nouns. Okay. Firstly, you write a heading of noun. Then you write the definition. A name of person, place and thing. Okay, a name of person, place and thing is called noun. Every student write the definition in your fair copy. Okay, a name of person, place and things is called nouns. Okay, for example, you can also make a second heading. For example, okay, for example, person's name Riya, Shivam, and place's name Delhi, Mumbai and so on. Okay, and things name is animal's name, person, place, animal. Okay, animal and things, animal also name. Okay, animal name giraffe. Okay, lion and etc. And things pen, house, etc. Okay, here are few examples of noun. A noun is a name of person, place, animal and thing is called noun. Okay, every student write the definition of noun. For example, Riya, Shivam, Delhi, Mumbai, giraffe, lion, pen, house, etc. These are all examples of noun. Okay. Then you can write in your copy. Then proceed to our exercise. Okay. Exercise have already done in your study materials. I think you should take a study material from school and completed your work in book and copy, both with a neat and clean handwriting. Okay, I will revise this exercise. Underline the nouns in the following sentences. Okay, you can underline the noun words in all these sentences. In the first sentence, the rose is a beautiful flower. Okay, in this sentence, what is noun? You can underline the noun word. Okay, so rose. Rose is a noun. You can underline the word rose. Second sentence, the boy made a sandwich and put it on the plate. Okay. In second word, plate is a noun. Okay. You can underline the word plate because plate is a noun. And the next, the sun shines brightly. In this sentence, what is noun? Sun. Okay. Sun is a noun. You can underline the word sun. Fourth, we can see the moon and stars at night. So in this sentence, what is noun? Moon and stars. Okay. You can underline the word moon, stars. These both words are in this sentence are nouns. Okay. In the fifth sentence, we eat a pizza and drank a glass of milk. Okay. So, in this sentence, pizza and glass is a noun. Firstly, you underline pizza and second word is glass. Both words are noun. Okay. Sixth, the monkey is hanging from the branch by its tail. In this sentence, monkey. Okay, monkey is a noun. So underline the word monkey. Seventh sentence, children like to watch cartoons on television. Okay, television is a noun. So underline the word television. Okay, and in eighth sentence, I like to read stories about witches and wizards. Okay, in this sentence, two words are noun. First word is witches and second word is wizard. Okay, both two words are noun, so underline these two words. Ninth sentence, the doctor gave me some medicine. In this sentence, medicine are noun, so underline the word medicine. Okay. 10th and the last sentence, he fell from the swing and broke his arms. Okay. In this sentence, the word swing is a noun, so underline the word swing because it is a noun. Okay. You can complete this exercise in book and copy also with a neat and clean handwriting. Okay. I think every student complete this exercise and also complete this definition of noun and with examples and also learn the definition of noun. Okay. Every student learn this. You can learn it. Okay. The definition of noun with example. Okay. Today topic is completed. I will complete the chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay. We will meet in the next video. Stay safe and stay safe in your homes. Thank you.